ito yung maganda sa kanila, no interview needed. First, we have in English, yung students nila ay Korean from 7 to 60 years old. Yung rate, depende siya kapag starting, you will earn 180 pesos per hour. Pero kapag may certificate ka, it will be 190 pesos per hour. But it will still depend upon sa inyong teaching experience and demo performance. Now, for the payment method naman, yung earnings nyo ay isa-send through bank account. Yung ginagamit nila ay Metro Bank. So, kung ito yung bank account na gagamitin nyo, wala kayong babayaran na transfer fee. However, kung ibang banks naman, kayo yung mag-shoulder nung 125 pesos na transfer fee. Ayan. Next, yung teaching approach, it's going to be a one-on-one lesson. Provided na yung lesson materials, yung platform na ginagamit nila ay Zoom. So, yung class, it's either 25 minutes or 15 minutes per class. Yan. Wala din silang required hours per month na dapat i-meet. And you can teach at least 4 hours per day. Now, for the schedule, you can start teaching anytime between 5 a.m. and 12 midnight Philippine Standard Time. So, yung ginagamit nila is KST or Korean Standard Time. Just make sure, kasi kapag KST yung ginagamit, it's 1 hour ahead of the Philippines. So, yung peak hours nila is 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. PST. So, let's say, yung start nila is 5 a.m. So, since ahead sila ng 1 hour sa atin, it's gonna be 6 a.m. Ayan. And next, for the requirements, female applicants. Yan, hinahanap nila yung mga female applicants age 23 to 38 years old, at least 1 year online teaching experience, graduate of any 2 year or 4 year college course, undergraduate applicants, they're also welcome to apply. Ayan. And sa technical requirements naman or yung sa device requirements, webcam. So expect nyo it's going to be a video class kasi require nila yan. And then internet connection, they do not accept Wi-Fi or any wireless connection. Yung iba, they accept na kung halimbawa Wi-Fi, it's okay. Pero minsan kasi kapag nagte-technical check sila, um, yung technical team or yeah, yung may meron silang team na mag-check kung talagang LAN yung ginagamit nyo or kung wireless. Kapag ka wireless kasi, usually they do not allow it. Pero sa iba, okay din naman. Yung iba, mas prefer lang nila yung naka-wired. Kasi, pagka wireless, minsan kung may ibang gumagamit, minsan mahina yung signal. Pero kapag ka naka-LAN or kapag ka naka-wired ka, ayan, mas stable yung connection. Kaya mas preferred nila minsan yung kapag ka naka-wired ka. And then quiet and conducive teaching environment, and of course Zoom account. If you would like to apply, just visit their website, ayan, aimteacher.com. There will be an option there for you to apply. Other information are there, yung mga frequently asked questions, nandun din siya. If you would like to know more about this company, nandun siya sa kanilang website. Ayan. We have Poly English. So, yung students nila ay from 3 to 18 years old. Ang company nila ay based sa Singapore. So, yung main targets nila ay Asian. For the rate, yung starting ay 65 pesos per 25 minutes. So, you can earn up to 300 pesos per class. Teaching approach, 25 minutes of active teaching. Ayan. So, 25 minutes kayo magka-class ni student. Yung 5 minutes allotted siya sa feedback or comments. Total, 30 minutes per class, preparation time not included. So, 3 minutes allowed for tech issues before cancellation. Um, Eto yung kadalasan, kapag ka nag-teach ka ng 25 minutes, usually may break si teacher ng 5 minutes. Yung 5 minutes na yon, if you were not able to add your comments or yung feedbacks, ia-allot mo siya do'n. And then, kapag ka naman, minsan, halimbawa may tech issues si student, based kasi do'n sa previous ESL din na pinasukan ko. For example, may tech issue si student or absent si student and hindi siya nakapag-notify ahead of time. Yung mangyayari is, puwede ka ng or kailangan mong mag-stay within kung ano yung policy ng company. Let's say within 5 minutes or 3 minutes kailangan mo mag-stay dun sa room. Kung wala pa dun si student, puwede ka ng mag-leave ng room. So, that means nandun ka, si student puwede mo na siyang i-tag absent kung, hindi pa din siya dumating dun sa allotted time na kailangan na, nandun na siya. Parang may waiting time din kasi kay student. 'Pag wala talaga, puwede mo na siyang i-tag na absent. Ayan. Lesson materials provided na siya and it's one-on-one online English classes. Next, for the schedule, yung schedule nila weekdays, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pag weekends, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Ayan, they do have their peak hours, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Weekends, all day. Ayan. For the requirements, bachelor's degree or higher. Kung may teaching certificate ka, it's always, an advantage. Minsan hindi sila required pero advantage siya ni teacher. Next, yung laptop. Teaching experience, at least 1 year. And then, application process. Ito yung application process nila. Basic information. Una mong gagawin, yan, kailangan mo mag-fill out nung information mo sa kanilang website. After that, magde-device test. Magde-device test ka na and then demo, training. After that, document check. At eto yung maganda sa kanila, no interview needed. So, ayan, yung iba sa atin hinahanap talaga yung, walang interview kasi kapag may interview madami mo pang process. Good thing sa kanila walang interview, na kailangan. But, you need to undergo yung mga device test, demo, training, ayan. And next to apply, eto, you need to visit their website as well. Same dun sa unang company. Visit this and then i-fill out yung information. After that, I actually tried applying and then I wasn't able to finish na i-fill out yung information. Dapat magde-device test na din ako. Pero hindi kasi talaga siya natapos. Um, they are going to send you an email. Actually, after nila mag-send nung email, a few days after, magre-remind din naman ulit sila na, yeah, you haven't finished your application yet. If you would like to continue, ayan, punta ka lang ulit dun sa website kasi gagawa ka ng account mo dun. Ayan, so they are, uh, I think that's how they value their teachers. They're going to send you an email na magfa-follow up sila sa'yo to continue your application. Yan. Next is Mary English. So, yung students nila ay Korean. Ang rate is 200 pesos per hour. It is a audio and video class. Yes, it is possible. Sa isang company, merong audio teachers lang. Yung iba is video teachers. Based sa experience ko, kami audio teacher kami. And then, yung iba, video class teachers. It's either maghahanap sila ng video class teachers or mag-a-apply ka. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang mag-apply. So, yung ibang company is audio lang talaga siya. Yung iba is video. Pero may mga companies naman that they offer both. So, dito is they do have audio and video class. Ayan. Salary increase after 1 year for full-time teachers. So, from 200 pesos magiging 210 pesos na per hour. And then, they also offer monthly incentives. For the teaching approach, regular class siya. It's not a booking system. Provided na din yung lesson materials. And yung ginagamit nilang platform or, yan, uses Teams and Kakao. For the schedule naman, kung part-time, Monday to Friday, ang available time is evening 18, so it's going to be 6 to 23 p.m. KST, so 11 p.m. KST yan. Ayan. Make sure na yung clock nyo kapagka naka-KST kayo is naka-adjust din siya, para hindi kayo malito. Kung sa platform nila provided or adjusted na already sa KST, that's no longer a problem kasi makikita mo na agad. Eh, hindi ka malilito dun sa time kasi yun na yung sinusunod ng company. May broken shift din sila from Monday to Friday. Morning and evening. Ito maganda kapag ka broken shift kasi for example, ayan, 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. KST, magtuturo ka, and then pahinga ka, you still have a lot or many time para gawin yung mga household chores or kung may ibang job ka, pwede siya. And then, babalik ka na 6 p.m. tapos to 11 p.m. KST. Yan. More time for you kapag naka-broken shift ka. Now, for the requirements, female teachers only. Yes, female teachers only yung hinahanap nila. At least 23 years of age, bachelor's degree, teaching experience, and certificates are not required. But of course, that's an advantage. Quiet environment and excellent with American accent. Yung iba kasi natatakot kapagka yung one of the requirement is excellent with American or fluent accent. Based naman kasi sa before kahit sa ibang job, not even sa ESL. For as long as na naiintindihan ka nung kausap mo ni student, and then, this is what I've been telling dun na din sa mga nagtatanong, nag-a-apply na, it's not kasi hindi naman talaga siya yung first, yeah, language natin. Hindi talaga tayo, alam mo yon fluent. For as long as naiintindihan ka, you know how to engage, you know how to build rapport, you know how to make your class lively and mag-enjoy si student, and ginalingan mo sa demo and yun sa interview is good ka, well, I think, you know, for sure papasa ka. Kasi hindi lang naman sa accent. Usually may ibang factor pa din naman na babasehan. Based ito sa aking experience. Kasi usually kapag ito yung sa requirements, yung iba parang hindi ako fluent magsalita. So yeah, just to encourage yung sa mga gustong mag-apply. You can always apply. Ayan, it's better to give it a try kasi naman pagkatapos is tatanungin mo, what if I tried na nagpasa ako ng resume or nag-apply ako. So it's always to, try and then fail if ever. But, mas mahirap siya kapag you didn't even try. Hindi mo alam kung mag-fail ka or papasa ka. For at least, kung mag-fail ka man, you learn. 'Di ba? Next is device requirements. Laptop or desktop, yun yung kailangan nila. So, meaning yung smartphone or yung phone is not allowed. Headset with noise cancelling microphone feature. DSL or fiber connection, speed of at least 5 to 10 Mbps. Yan. Kapag mag-apply kayo, submit your resume in Word or PDF format, a voice file in MP3 or MP4 format. Now, sa voice file naman, kung ano sasabihin nyo, just maybe simply introduce yourself tungkol sa'yo if you have any experience, kung wala ka pang experience, anything about you. Ayan. Iklian lang or any important things about you. And then, send it sa kanilang email address.